sklearnutilsshuffle. Description: the sklearnutilsshuffle function is a utility function within the scikit-learn library. It's designed to randomly shuffle the elements of a sequence, array, or list while maintaining the alignment between corresponding elements in multiple sequences. Inputs: X. This is the primary input, which can be a sequence e.g. list, tuple, an array e.g. numpy array, or a pandas data frame. It represents the data to be shuffled. Y. This is an optional input, often used to represent labels or target values associated with the elements in X. It should have the same length as X. If provided, it's shuffled in the same way as X, ensuring that the correspondence between data points and their labels is maintained. Random state: this parameter controls the randomization process. It can be an integer, a random state instance, or none. Integer: a specific integer value is used as a seed for the random number generator. Ensuring reproducibility: random state instance: an instance of random state from NumPy is used to manage the random number generator. This allows for finer control and potential customization. None: if random state is none, the random number generator is seeded using the system's clock, making the results less reproducible but more unpredictable. Outputs: X. The shuffled version of the original input X. The data points or rows are rearranged randomly. Y. If provided, this is the shuffled version of the input Y. It will be shuffled in the same way as X, maintaining the pairing of data points and labels. Steps: random number generation: the function uses a random number generator controlled by random state to generate a sequence of random numbers. Shuffling: the random numbers are used to create a permutation of the indices of the input data. The data is then rearranged based on this permutation. Alignment preservation: if Y is provided, the same permutation of indices is applied to both X and Y, ensuring that the relationship between them remains intact. Metrics: not directly applicable. sklearnutilsshuffle is a preprocessing step, and it doesn't directly involve the calculation of metrics like accuracy or precision. Its main role is to randomize data. Visualization plots: not directly applicable. Visualization plots are usually related to model outputs or data. Exploration: not the shuffling process itself. Fine-tune parameters: random state: this parameter controls the randomness. Setting a specific integer value allows you to reproduce the same shuffling order across runs. Using none: the default or a random state instance results in different shufflings every time. Uncertainty methods: not directly applicable. The function doesn't involve any probabilistic models or uncertainty estimation. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: unintentional data leakage. Sample use case: if shuffling is applied to data before splitting into training and testing sets, information from the test set might leak into the training set, potentially impacting the model's performance. Fixes: apply shuffling after splitting the data into training and testing sets. Use sklearn model selection train test split, which includes shuffling as an optional parameter. Challenge 2: reproducibility. Sample use case: when using none for random state, the shuffling order will vary each time you run the code. This makes it harder to replicate experiments. Fixes: set a specific integer value for random state to guarantee the same shuffling order across runs, ensuring reproducible results.